Hey, this is CJ. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to be sharing my knowledge that I've acquired through many years as a tech professional, crypto investor, and just being a student of life. We're going to be covering topics like crypto, investing, and mindset. Let's go. Let's talk about mindset and emotional control. Two key components you're going to need to have if you're going to be a successful investor or reach any goal in life. Mindset is your internal framework. It's your belief system, the way that you look at things, your attitude towards things. That's your mindset. When it comes to emotional control has to do with the way that you process your emotions. Instead of reacting, you'll stop and think and then act accordingly. As you can tell, this is going to be key when navigating volatile markets. Okay, so looking at the charts, this is the reason why mindset and having emotional control is so important. Look at this red markets, blood all over. This weekend, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. We had a drop of close to 20% in 8 hours, right? 17%, 2 bars, 8 hours. We're at 17%, $21,000 in a matter of 12 hours. I'm sure that freaked out a lot of people. So control is everything. Otherwise, you sell your bag and you lose to the market maker. Very important. Next thing I want to touch upon is liquidation maps and how important they are and how much I use them to get a feel for the market. I don't like to get stuck on just looking at low time frame charts. So what we're looking at here is a liquidation map posted by an account X that I follow, Seth Fin, Crypto Seth. This guy seems like a stand-up guy, and he's always posting good content. So I'm always paying attention to what he's got to say, and he's always posting liquidation maps on Bitcoin. And as you can see here, Bitcoin is always gonna go for liquidity. As you can see here, when it was going around the 120 range, you see everybody was long in Bitcoin thinking it was gonna break a new all-time high, and you see everybody here placing their stop losses here. All this liquidity here. What happens? Bitcoin dumps and eats up all the liquidity below it, all the stop losses for the long. So people thinking that it was going to the moon, eating up billions of dollars. And now what's happening now? Bitcoin recuperated, and now there's a bunch of people shorting Bitcoin thinking it's going to go down to zero. And what's happening? We're building up liquidity up here. All the people shorting are putting stop losses at around 125, 130. You have all this liquidity building up here. What do you guys think is going to happen next? Probably the market wrecking over leveraged traders again, as always. All this liquidity up here, it's going to be gotten. Let's take a look at this real quick. This chart here, Bitcoin still bouncing off of this support here. It looks like the support is holding. We're hoping to get back up to 125. Yeah, so this is the game that we play every day. And if you're not smart, if you don't have the proper mindset or emotional control, the market maker will beat you. And with that, we reached the end of the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more crypto freedom moves.